So we've got our first graph completed. Now let's make the second. The second graph will use the same exact time data points. So I'm going to highlight Control-C and Control-V those times to a new column. This new graph, instead of graphing time versus concentration, it's going to graph time versus the natural log of those concentrations. Now this could be kind of a pain if you're calculating each natural log value yourself, which you could do. But we can also have the spreadsheet do it for us. So the way we're going to do that is click the first cell where we want our first natural log to go. To set up an equation in the spreadsheet, add equals. When you hit equals, it's telling the spreadsheet that it's about to calculate something. To calculate a natural log, you simply type ln and open parenthesis. Whatever you put inside that parenthesis, the spreadsheet will take the natural log of for you. And the best way to do it is to simply click the cell with the number you want to take the natural log of. In this case, it's going to be 2.08. Close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here's the natural log of 2.08. To continue that process for these other concentrations, the best part about a spreadsheet is you can click on your first natural log, hit Control-C to copy it, and clicking the bottom right-hand corner where that little blue square is, if you click and drag, it automatically takes the natural log of the other data points in the data set that you originally started with 2.08. From here, we just have to take this new set of data and create the exact same graph we did the first time. Go to Insert and Chart. This time it's automatically doing a scatter plot for me. If it didn't, you can check the first video out to remind yourself how that works. Under Customize, I go to Series because I want to add a linear trend line to this using the r² value as well. Don't forget to, under Label, go to Use Equation so that my second graph has an r² value, this time of 1, and the equation for the line in mx plus b format.